Next, Vehicle Report Modules. Vehicle Maintenance Report Feature. This tool helps track vehicle maintenance history, monitor service schedules, and manage upcoming tasks to ensure optimal vehicle performance. To access the report, log in and navigate to the Vehicle Maintenance Report section. Here, you can view data branch-wise by selecting a branch or choosing View All to see all records. Use the search bar to find specific vehicles by entering the vehicle code or name. Click the back button to return to the previous page. The report displays key details, including branch, vehicle code, vehicle name, and vehicle number. Clicking on Details opens the Vehicle Maintenance Details page, where you can view maintenance history. The Details page includes important columns such as description, oil grade, capacity, part number, changing hours, last changed hour, current hours, remaining hours, and alerts for upcoming maintenance. To ensure efficient vehicle management, regularly update maintenance records, monitor alerts, and check schedules to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Vehicle Details Report Feature. This tool helps users view, search, and manage detailed information about vehicles in their fleet. To get started, go to the Vehicle Details Report section. Select the vehicle type from the drop-down list, such as own vehicle or hire vehicle. You can also filter by branched to view vehicles assigned to a specific location. Use the search bar to find a vehicle by its code, name, or number. The report displays key information, including branch, vehicle code, vehicle name, and vehicle number. Click the View button to see full details about a specific vehicle. On the Vehicle Details View page, you can find additional details like invoice number, vehicle make, vehicle type, and registration number. To make changes, click Edit, update the necessary fields, and click Save to apply the changes. If needed, you can export the report by clicking Export to Excel. Vehicle Position Report Feature. This tool helps track vehicle operations, working hours, distance traveled, and loads transported, ensuring efficient fleet management. To access the Vehicle Position Report, go to the Report section. The main page displays a summary of vehicle position data. Step 1. Selecting filters. First, use the Select Vehicle Type drop-down to choose a specific type, such as an own vehicle or hire vehicle. Next, click on Select Your Branch and choose a branch like Chennai or Bangalore to filter the data accordingly. You can also use the search bar to quickly find a vehicle by entering a vehicle code or number. Step 2. Understanding the report list. After applying filters, the report displays key information, including branch, the branch where the vehicle is assigned; vehicle code, a unique identifier for the vehicle; vehicle number, the official registration number; vehicle type, the classification of the vehicle. To view detailed operational data, click on the vehicle code, which redirects you to the Own Vehicle Position page. Step 3. Own Vehicle Position page. Here, you can analyze a vehicle's performance over a specific period. First, select the month and year from the drop-down. You can also use the search bar to refine results. The report displays date, the specific date of operation; starting and closing hours, the hour meter readings at the beginning and end of the day; working hours, the total operational hours for that day; cumulative hours, the total working hours logged by the vehicle; starting and closing km, the odometer readings before and after the trip; working km, the total distance traveled that day; cumulative km, the total distance covered over time; number of loads, the total loads transported that day; location, the area where the vehicle was used. Remark: any additional observations regarding vehicle usage. Step 4. Exporting the report. To save or share data, click on Export to Excel to download the report. Benefits of the Vehicle Position Report. Get detailed insights into daily and total vehicle operations. Easily filter reports by vehicle type, branch, or month for accurate analysis. Plan maintenance schedules proactively to reduce downtime. Export and store reports for further analysis and record keeping. Vehicle Status Report feature. This report gives a clear view of vehicle locations and statuses across various sites, helping you monitor fleet distribution and availability. Step 1. Accessing the Vehicle Status Report. To generate the report, navigate to the Vehicle Status Report page. Here, you can directly click the search button without selecting filters to display all available vehicles and their statuses. Step 2. Understanding the report table. The Vehicle Status Report table displays key details about each vehicle, including vehicle name, the name or identifier of the vehicle, vehicle model, the model or type of the vehicle. Each row represents a vehicle and its current status across multiple locations. Step 3. Locations included in the report. The report provides an overview of vehicle assignments across different sites. Some key locations include
Chennai
and more. This helps identify where each vehicle is currently assigned or stationed. Step 4. Understanding location assignments. Each vehicle is linked to a specific site. The report uses a 0 to 0 or 0 to 1 format to indicate vehicle availability at each location. 0 to 0. No active or inactive units of this vehicle are present at the location. 0 to 1. One unit exists but is inactive or under maintenance. Example interpretation. For an entry like excavator, Kobelco. Chair shows 0 to 0, meaning no active or inactive units are available. SRC Kalpakkam shows 0 to 1, meaning one unit is at the location but currently unavailable. This system allows quick assessment of fleet distribution and maintenance needs across sites. Step 5. Benefits of the Vehicle Status Report. Quick search. Instantly find vehicle status without manual filtering. Efficient monitoring. Track vehicle distribution and availability across multiple locations. Proactive management. Identify inactive vehicles and plan maintenance accordingly. Improved fleet utilization. Ensure vehicles are optimally assigned and operational. Vehicle Spares Report. This report provides insights into spare parts and materials issued for both owned and hired vehicles within your organization. It helps in tracking maintenance activities, managing costs, and ensuring efficient fleet operations. Step 1. Accessing the Vehicle Spares Report. To begin, navigate to the Vehicle Spares Report section from the main menu. Step 2. Viewing the report list. The report summary includes key details about spare usage for all vehicles. The table consists of vehicle code, unique identifier for the vehicle, vehicle number, registration number of the vehicle, date, when the spare was issued, vehicle name, name or identifier of the vehicle, vehicle type, type or category of the vehicle, own or hire. This overview provides a quick summary of spare parts issued for fleet maintenance. Step 3. Viewing detailed spare issue information. To get more details about issued spares, click on the vehicle code in the report. This redirects you to the Spares Issued report page, where you can view details for both own and hire vehicles. Step 4. Using the Spares Issued report page. On this page, you can access detailed information about spares used for the selected vehicle. Key features include filtering data. Select month and year. Filter the report to a specific time period. Search functionality. Quickly locate specific records. Understanding report columns. The detailed report displays. Vehicle code, unique identifier for the vehicle. Vehicle status, current status, example, active, inactive. Date, when the spare was issued. Material code, unique identifier for the spare. Material name, description of the spare part. UOM, unit of measurement. Material quantity, quantity issued. Total amount, cost of the issued spare. This data allows users to analyze spare usage, track maintenance activities, and manage costs effectively. Step 5. Exporting the report to Excel. For further analysis or record keeping, click the Export to Excel button. The report will be downloaded for offline. Vehicle Monthly Working Hours/Kilometers report provides detailed insights into the monthly working performance of both owned and hired vehicles, tracking hours operated, kilometers traveled. This report is essential for monitoring vehicle usage, planning maintenance schedules, analyzing operational efficiency. Step 1. Purpose of the report. Performance monitoring. Track monthly operational hours and distance covered by each vehicle. Maintenance planning. Prioritize servicing for high-usage vehicles. Operational insights. Evaluate workload distribution across branches and vehicle types. Step 2. Features and functionality. Filters and options. To refine the report, use the following filters. Select vehicle type. Choose a specific type, own vehicle or hire vehicle. Branch-wise report. Generate a report for a specific branch. Step 3. Understanding the report columns. The report provides 12-month performance data covering both working hours and kilometers traveled for each vehicle. Branch the branch where the vehicle is assigned. Vehicle name, the name of the vehicle. Vehicle code, a unique identifier for the vehicle. Vehicle type, the category or type of vehicle, own/hire. Monthly data, hours and kilometers recorded for each month from January to December. This structure ensures a comprehensive view of vehicle usage. Step 4. Navigation options. Back button. Return to the previous screen. Export to Excel. Download the report for offline analysis